Building $500 a month in passive income might sound daunting, but with the right stacking strategies, it's absolutely achievable. Let's dive into how you can make this happen. First, consider launching digital product templates. Think about your skills or hobbies. Can you create templates for planners, social media posts, or even ebooks? Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad make it easy to sell these products. Once you create a template, it can generate income repeatedly without much additional effort. Just set it up and watch the sales roll in. Next, let's talk about affiliate income streams. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Choose products that align with your interests or expertise. Create engaging content around these products, like blog posts or videos, and include your affiliate links. Over time, as your audience grows, so will your affiliate earnings. Now, building micro-content is crucial. This means creating bite-sized pieces of content that can be shared across social media platforms. Think short videos, infographics, or quick tips. This not only drives traffic to your digital products and affiliate links, but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. The more valuable content you produce, the more likely people are to engage with your offerings. Automation is your best friend when it comes to investments. Consider setting up automated contributions to a high-yield savings account or a robo-advisor. This way, you're consistently putting money to work without having to think about it. Even small amounts can add up over time, and the key is to start now, rather than waiting for the perfect moment. Lastly, reinforce your weekly actions towards achieving your passive income goals. Set aside time each week to review your progress. Are your digital products selling? Are you getting clicks on your affiliate links? Adjust your strategies based on what's working and what isn't. This consistent reflection keeps you aligned with your goals and helps you stay motivated. By stacking these strategies, digital products, affiliate income, micro-content, and automated investments, you can create a sustainable flow of passive income. It's all about taking those initial steps and building momentum. With dedication and a clear plan, reaching that $500 a month is not just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to grab it.